We are at the shit show. This is a 239 unit condominium building in Culver City.
You got underground, I mean, it's designed to go. Riser is galvanized.
This is the sink.
What?
This is F110.
We can shut off the bathroom, but not the riser. The valve, the shut-off valve for that riser, the bathroom is right there.
All right. This is us. Okay. John cut that out while I was getting the HOA manager to move the cars down there. Okay, so this is the shutoff for the entire bathroom, cold side for all 3 units. So we're gonna cut it on this inch line, cut it on the 3/4 line, and then this is the toilet riser right here for the water. And then cut that, and then we're gonna try to, John's up there, gonna try to pound it out. Oh, there you go, it's coming.
I can't hit on it any lower than that.
No, I just have to, I'm gonna have to unthread that or something. So, yeah. It's still kind of hard to get out of there, but that's what we got the pipey wrench for here.
Just cut it again at the top.
Yeah, fuck it. Why not?
That's one of the big wigs of HOA, and he wanted his angle stop changed. He didn't want to rip, you know, like on that, you saw how that angle stop looked. He didn't want to risk. He wanted it.
Oh, he's a big wig?
I think he says he is. I don't know.
Says he is.
What do I care?
It's coming right along. 1 inch by 3/4 by 3/4. Just gotta go get some more 3/4. And we also need to get some tape, dude. Because the dopes use the frickin' galvanized hangers. So we'll have to tape these. All right, there you go. I caught this after I pressed it. I didn't realize there wasn't a little pad on these. Okay, this first floor. We're gonna fish up a piece of 1/2 inch. Okay. Wait. Oh, he opened it up. Oh, I see. Yeah, okay. I see. So that's why he needed toilet tank bolts.
I know.
Okay, I was like, why do we need those? Okay.
Press it.
3rd floor. All right, we're good. Okay, it's coming up through the garage. Angle stop for the toilet. Had to use one of these. That was just from earlier. I thought I was going to be touching this, but that's why I got that tape on there, just in case that touches. Now let's go to the 2nd floor. 2nd floor.
What?
All right. Press her on.
Oh, I need an angle stop down